Can you switch it on?
So today we are going to see about the Johari machine, which is combined machine for the physiotherapy. It is giving ultrasound and TENS, yeah, combined machine. So the complaint is the probe is not working. So let's see how to work on it. So now I'm going to ultrasound mode. The touch is also having some issue, but we can calibrate it later. But before that, yes, I'm going to ultrasound, and it is going to sense. Okay. Yes, ultrasound. You can see the settings: 15 minutes, 1 megahertz. I will change to 3 megahertz. Continuous 15 minutes. Yeah. Let's do start. Now
Touch is also,
you can see.
Not that.
yeah.
Yes,
See, this
you
is
can see the ultrasound error detected. So, how to work on it? It is very simple. If you are in Dubai, it will be very useful to you because you will have this one in most clinic. Okay, so I will say how to do it, but before that, we need to go to the library, store, and then put this number. Okay, 314159, and then done. Yes, and then go to emergency stop, home, and then go to doctor's fave and choose the number. It is very easy, and now we can go with start headphone, and that's it. It will heat up. I'll show you. You can see the heat warming. It is like 22.7 now, and it is warming now, 23.1, 23.2, as you can see. So that is simple, guys. You can easily do the repair this one. But if it is not working after putting the 314159 code, then there you can assume that the probe is issue. You have to change the probe. Yeah. But now here you can see the head is warming up. And there is no error message coming, so the machine is working good. No need to change the probe. Yeah, but if it is not working, you have to change the probe.
Can I get little water? Okay, now it is warming.
It's warming, but it's not.
No. After it is coming to 40, it will work. After it is coming to 40, it will work. Now it is 24, so we should wait for 40.
Now you can see the probe is around 33, and you can start the procedure, and you can use it with the full intensity. It will not make any issue. And yes, hope you like this video. Leave a comment if you have any question, and we'll do something else in the next video. See you soon.
Sister, are you busy? Can I get some water?